Ali set up a saving plan with TD Canada Trust whereby he deposits $250 at the end of each quarter for 7 years at the rate of 5% compounded quarterly. How much will be in his account just after he makes his last deposits? Okay, in this problem, I need to find the amount in the account after the last deposit. So simply it's future value. I need to find future value. Here I have some deposits. Okay, the amount of each deposit are 250. Here we have some regular deposits. So when we have some regular deposits or some payments, we have a annuity. Okay, so here we have annuity. Payments or deposits are at the end of each quarter. When the payments are at the end of each time interval, we have a ordinary annuity. Then the number of payments in each year is 4 because payments are at the end of each quarter. The number of compounding is also 4 because the compounding is quarterly. So the number of payments and the number of compounding, both of them are 4. Because the number of compounding and the number of payments are the same number, we have a simple annuity. So we have ordinary simple annuity. To find the future value of ordinary simple annuity, I can use this formula. I have the information about the amount of each payment. The amount of each payment is $250. I need to find I and N. I is, based on the formula we have for I is J divided by M. J is given rate in the problem. It's 5%. M is the number of payments in 1 year. Because payments or deposits are quarterly, payments are at the end of each quarter. So the number of payments in 1 year are 4. So I is J divided by M, or 5% divided by 4 is 1.25%, or in the decimal form 0.0125. When I'm using the formula to find future value, I need to convert I to the decimal form. So I is 0.0125. I need N in the formula, okay? N is total number of payments. How many payments we have in each year? 4, because payments are quarterly. Payments are at the end of each quarter. So in each year I have 4 payments. How many years we have in this problem? 7 years. Okay, so the number of years is 7. So N is M times years. M is 4 times 7. So total number of deposits is 28. So just plug in all of the information, all of the numbers you have here in the formula. To calculate future value, start from the inside of the bracket. First add 1 to the 0.0125, then raise the result for here to 28, then subtract from 1, then divide by 0.0125, then multiply by 250. The amount of future value is $8,319.85. I can solve the problem by using the financial method also, by using the calculator, financial calculator. First, I need to set PY and CY. PY is the number of payments, CY is the number of compounding. Because here we have an ordinary simple annuity, we have a simple annuity, the number of payments and the number of compounding are the same number. Both of them are 4. So I can show you here on the calculator. First, second, PY. PY here is 4, the number of payments. 4, then enter. There is no need to change CY because both of them are 4. Then second, quit. N is total number of deposits. 28 is N. Given rate in the problem is 5. 5 is IY. There is nothing in the account at the beginning, so present value is 0. The amount of each payment is 250. Positive and negative. And then PMT. Then compute future value. As you can see, we got again $8,319.85. I set the rounded number because I just need dollars and cents. I need to round the final answer.